So in this session, we'll be discussing of how to add a smart sensor, a CMS Electrocom smart sensor, to the CMS Engage platform through the CMS installer app. In the same time, instantaneously, we'll be creating a desk in a specific floor, in a specific room or zone. So to begin with, our sensor has a micro USB port. To be energized, you would require to have a cable plugged into either our smart cell or a USB power source. So we plug in our micro USB cable into the micro USB port, and now you can see that there's a blinking RGB light. The blinking RGB light refers that the sensor is ready to be paired. So in this practice, you would also need and require a small pin that you can be supplied by CMS Electrocom to be able to pair the device. So we go into CMS install, our application, and in this case we're pairing the sensor and creating a desk in office space, or a room called office space. We go into a specific room. Previously we paired the controller or the gateway, and now we're creating a desk and pairing the sensor to a specific desk. So we click the plus symbol. You can see that there's an occupancy sensor at the top. We click on that sensor. So we select which hub or controller it's going to be connected to. In this case, it's controller 1. It's a specific room called office space. We select the desk. If there's no desk, we can add a new desk, and this is how we add a new desk to the specific room. Desk name, we can give it desk 1 name, and device name, we can call it occupancy underscore sensor underscore 1. Next. So it tells us to pair this device, tap next below, then click and hold the button inside the hole using a pin for 6 seconds until LED comes to solid state. So we're going to click next. We'll grab our pinhole, we'll insert it in the pinhole for approximately 6 seconds and click. You hear a clicking tone, and you just wait for 6 seconds till it stops blinking. Now that it stopped blinking, it will take up to maximum of 30 seconds to be paired in our installer app. As you can see, the device is paired now, and we have to proceed with the procedure to finalize the pairing. To request you to sit in front of the sensor and press start button to start verifying. We do this to verify that the occupancy is working. So we click start. Now it's verifying human presence, and it detected the height as well simultaneously, and then it had successfully paired. To confirm that it paired, we go back into the room, and we can see that OS 1 is online and it's in room office space on desk 1, and currently it's in use status because it is pointing and can see a person in front of it at this stage. And that's how we conclude how do we pair an occupancy sensor to the Engage platform through the CMS installer app.